They say not all journeys are meant to be taken, and the North Sentinel Island is the ultimate case in point. Tucked deep in the Bay of Bengal, this tiny forested island remains one of the most mysterious and untouched places, frozen in time and completely disconnected from modern technology. And a recent incident has happened where a US citizen has breached this untouched mark or the untouched point and has tried to enter the North Sentinel Island of Andamans of India, and this has created a huge controversy. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the North Sentinel Island and why the foreigner who tried to enter into the North Sentinel Island, the restricted North Sentinel Island, had been arrested, and why is it said that no one should try to enter the North Sentinel Island. So basically the points that we will be covering would be: what is the North Sentinel Island, why the entry is restricted, then about the Sentinelese tribe that lives within the North Sentinel Island, and the law or the act which prevents people from entering the North Sentinel Island. What are the guidelines that has been issued after the 2018 incident, and in the end a practice question. So let us first of all begin with the news. So these are the news which has come up, and that is: US tourist arrested after allegedly attempting to contact world's most isolated tribe. Second comes: US YouTuber enters Andaman's restricted Iceland. Why no one can visit North Sentinel Island and why you shouldn't even try. So after reading all these newspaper cuttings or the headlines, you must be able to understand one thing, that restriction is placed over the entry into the North Sentinel Island. And what has happened is, a content creator from the United States who is famous on the YouTube, he has tried to enter the North Sentinel Island, and when he was trying to enter the North Sentinel Island, he had been arrested by the authorities and he has been sent for 3 days custody in the police. And when the police was asking questions to the content creator, it has come up that he came to film the island. So now before moving to the news, Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now shifted to Noida, and the admissions are open for the IAS GS foundation course covering both prelims and mains. So the English medium batch and the Hindi medium batch admissions are open for both. In case of any query, give us a call at 87501. And now there is one more important announcement, and that is the GS Online Foundation course student will be getting a special features of the artificial intelligence on the Drishti Learning app, and the special features which has been included is AI summary, AI quiz, and ask me anything. So with this AI, the study that you are doing will be made even more smarter and faster. So with the AI quiz, you will be able to ask any question with regard to the topic that you have studied. And then with the new feature, that is AI summary, you will be able to get the summary of the whole lecture. And in the end, the ask me anything segment, you can ask any question related to the topic, and then you will be able to get the answer. So now your study will be made even more smarter with the inclusion of the artificial intelligence aspect on the Drishti Learning app. Now moving to the news, this talks about that the American YouTuber has made headlines for the wrong reason, and he has been arrested while he was trying to cross the line which is restricted. And then when he was crossing the line, police has arrested him, and while the questions were going on, it has been found that he was entering the island with regard to shooting the whole aspect, and also he has dropped a coconut and a coke can at the island. So he stayed on the island for about 5 minutes, leaving behind a diet coke and a coconut, gathering sand samples and filming a video before departing. And now this is the news because of which the North Sentinel Island and the Sentinelese tribe has come into the news. Now looking at the picture, the first and the foremost important point is that what is the location of the North Sentinelese Island. So basically we are all aware about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which is lying in the Bay of Bengal, and now north and south aspect of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is divided. The northern part is divided into a group of islands, that is Andaman Islands, and the southern islands are combined into a group of island, and that is the Nicobar Islands. So the Sentinelese Island or the North Sentinelese Island belongs to the Andaman group of island. So if you will look at this picture, this is Andaman and Nicobar, this is Andaman Islands, and this is the North Sentinelese or North Sentinel Island to the west of Andaman Island, and it belongs to the Andaman group of islands. Now with regard to the North Sentinel Island, now looking at this picture once more, this is the Andaman Island, and when we will zoom out on the North Sentinel Island, this is the image that we get. So about the North Sentinel Island, it is located in the Bay of Bengal, part of the South Andaman Administrative District. So first and foremost, you must remember it lies in the Bay of Bengal, part of the Andaman group of islands, and within the Andaman group of islands, specifically South Andaman Islands. It lies around 50 km west of Port Blair. Then it is surrounded by coral reefs and lacks natural harbors. So basically coral reef, or you can say coral reefs, is majority is provided in the North Sentinel Islands. Then it is enclosed by white sand beaches, mangroves and dense tropical forest. And if we talk about the vegetation of the North Sentinel Islands, so that is dense forest with species like Malabar silk cotton and bullet wood trees. And then if we will talk about the wildlife which is found within the North Sentinel Island, so that is Indian wild boar, coconut crabs, sea turtles, sharks and diverse bird life. So this is about the North Sentinel Island. And if we talk about the 2011 census and the anthropologist estimates, so the population which is staying inside the or at the North Sentinel Island belongs to from 50 to around 150 people, and there are different tribes which stays within the North Sentinel Island. Now about the tribe which basically is present at the North Sentinel Island, and that is the name of the tribe is the Sentinelese tribe. So if we will talk about the Sentinelese tribe, now look at this picture, very famous picture, and this is also one of the pictures that keeps on surfacing on the social media, and this tells us about the how the Sentinelese tribe looks like. So before starting about the tribe, there was an incident which took place in the year 2018, very famous incident, that when a US missionaries tried to enter the North Sentinelese Island and tried to interact with the Sentinelese tribe, so he was killed. He was killed by the Sentinelese tribe, and this incident was all over the social media, and this tells us that how important is to respect the boundaries, and how important is it to know that whether entering into a certain area is allowed or not, and if entering of any outsider is not allowed in that area, then what is the reason behind it. So the tribe which was present at the North Sentinel Island was the Sentinelese tribe. So knowing about the Sentinelese tribe, they are known for hostility towards outsiders, because the Sentinelese tribe, the numbers are very small, that is from 50 to around 150 people stay of the Sentinelese tribe at the North Sentinel Island. So it is considered that they are not very welcome towards the outsiders, and they are very restricted in themselves, and they are also very isolated in their lifestyle and the way of living. And the reason being that they do not interact with the outside world, and the outside people or the outsiders are also not allowed to enter into the zone where they are staying. So they stay at the North Sentinel Island, and that is why the entry into the North Sentinel Island is also restricted because of the Sentinelese tribe and the people of the Sentinelese tribe. Then they reject any contact with the outside world. So basically you can say that in the world of artificial intelligence as of now, this is a place which might not be dealing with the technology, or which might not be dealing with the artificial intelligence as of now, because the outside contact is very restricted. Then they are considered likely to be descendants of the first human migrations out of Africa. Then they are dependent on hunting, fishing and gathering, and they use bows, arrows and spears. So basically the food that they eat, or they basically survive on the basis of hunting, fishing and also the wild trees which are found at the island. They deal with those trees. Then the culture, language and population estimates remain unknown and studied, and the reason is that when the outsiders are not allowed and they do not interact with the outside world, so it becomes very difficult to know about their lifestyle, to know about their language, to know how they communicate with each other, to know about their culture. But they have their own language, they have their own culture, and that culture and language is also very restricted to the areas and to the boundaries of the islands. Then the population is around 50 to 150. Then about the Sentinelese tribe, one of the most important aspect that you need to remember is that the Sentinelese tribe is a PVTG, that is particularly vulnerable tribal groups. It means the marginalized among the marginalized, or the backward among the backward. So they are basically the people who belong to the PVTG, particularly vulnerable tribal group. It means vulnerable among the vulnerable. So there are around 75 PVTGs around India, and majority, or you can say the maximum number of PVTGs are present in the state of Odisha. And when we talk about PVTGs, so they are the tribes who are marginalized, who are vulnerable, they lack basic opportunities, and the economic condition is also not very good, and they are not very open to outside things, and the outside interaction is also very limited, and the isolation is there with regard to these tribes. So Sentinelese tribe is not the only tribe which is found at the Andaman Islands. So there are other tribes also, and there are other PVTGs also which are available or which stay at the Andaman Islands, and that is the, apart from the Sentinelese tribes, that is the Great Andamanese, Ong, Jarawa and the Shompenes. So these are the 4 other PVTGs which stay at the Andaman Island. Now let us talk about the regulation, or the Andaman and Nicobar Island Protection of Aboriginal Tribes Regulation 1956. Now because of this regulation, the entry of any outsider is restricted into the North Sentinel Island, and this regulation provides legal right for the people of the North Sentinel Island to be restricted and do not allow the entry of outsiders within their island. And that is, this regulation talks about that it declares traditional areas occupied by the tribes as reserves, and they prohibit entry of all except those with authorization. So if anyone has the permission to enter the island, then it will be allowed, but all others are not allowed to enter into the island, because that area is considered a reserve and the entry of outsiders is prohibited, and the distance is up to 5 nautical miles. So if this is the area of the island, then up to 5 nautical miles, people must maintain this distance of 5 nautical miles between the area of the island and the outside area. Then photographing or filming tribe members is also considered an offense, and that is why when the recent incident happened and the content creator was carrying a camera with him to view or to film the entire aspect, then he was arrested. And this is not the first time that the same YouTuber, or you can say the same content creator, has tried to enter into the North Sentinel Island. 2 earlier attempts has already been made by the content creator, and this was the third time when he tried to enter into the North Sentinel Island or interact with the Sentinelese tribe. Then restricted area permit was removed in 2018, but contact remains banned. So contact with the tribe is not allowed. Now about the ANSI guidelines, and when we talk about ANSI, so that is the Anthropological Survey of India. Now when we say ANSI guidelines, this came after the 2018 incident of a US missionary was killed by the Sentinelese tribe. So 2 years after this incident, the Anthropological Survey of India gave few of the guidelines. So the guidelines is that any exploitation of North Sentinel Island of Andaman for commercial and strategic gain would be dangerous for its occupants and the Sentinelese. So commercial and strategic gain would be difficult. Then the right of the people to the island is non-negotiable, unaccessible and unfringeable. So the right of the people who are living there, that is the Sentinelese tribe, the outside interaction, or if any of the problem is being made to these people, then that is non-negotiable. Then the prime duty of the state is to protect these rights as eternal and sacrosanct. Then the island should not be eyed for any commercial or strategic gain. So any commercial gain or strategic gain would not be allowed. The document also calls for building a knowledge bank on the Sentinelese. Since on-the-spot study is not possible for the tribal community, anthropologists suggest the study of a culture from distance, because when interaction is not allowed, then on-the-spot study cannot be done. So if anything needs to be studied, then that must be done from a distance, so that the boundaries of both the people would be maintained and respected. Now about the Anthropological Survey of India. So it is a primary research institute for anthropological research in biocultural studies, established in the year 1945, works under the Ministry of Culture, headquarters is present in Kolkata, and the objective is basically to study the tribes and their communities that form the population of India, both from the biological and cultural point of view. So the cultural aspect and the study of the cultural aspect of the tribe is the duty of the Anthropological Survey of India, and they study about the tribes. And now in the end, a prelims MCQ, and like always, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question is, the Anthropological Survey of India worked under which of the following ministries? Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs, or Ministry of Culture? We have studied this in the video, easy one for you. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.